propaganda surrounding Pakistan's nuclear tests is based on misinformation rather than scientific facts. The 1998 tests in Shanghai were conducted underground, ensuring that radiation remained trapped beneath the surface. Experts, including UNSCR, have confirmed that such tests pose no threat to public health or the environment. Claims of widespread cancer, contaminated water, and mutated wildlife lack scientific backing, as the Rasco Hills are naturally barren and the region has no significant water reserves. These false narratives aim to discredit Pakistan's nuclear program, which was both legal and essential for national security. Underground nuclear tests do not release harmful radiation into the environment, a fact well documented by global scientific authorities. Pakistan's nuclear capability is a necessary deterrent, ensuring regional stability and protecting national sovereignty against external threats.